Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In Lecture 2, we're focusing on the pioneering work of John Dalton, a British chemist and physicist who lived from 1766 to 1844. Dalton is best known for proposing the solid sphere model in the early 19th century. He shifted the understanding of atoms from philosophical ideas to scientific theory, presenting the first atomic model based on experimental evidence and quantitative observations. His work paved the way for the development of modern atomic theories. Dalton's atomic model, formulated in 1803, was groundbreaking. According to his theory, atoms are tiny, indivisible balls, all made of the same material. This simple yet profound idea helped explain how different chemicals mix and what makes them distinct. However, there were some limitations to his theory. First, it couldn't explain differences in atomic mass within an element, known today as isotopes. Second, it didn't account for the presence of subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons. Third, it couldn't explain the behavior of atoms in chemical reactions. Despite these shortcomings, Dalton's work paved the way for the development of modern atomic theories. His insights laid the foundation for future discoveries that would refine and expand our understanding of atomic structure. That's all for today. In our next lecture, we'll explore J.J. Thomson's atomic theory. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.